Welcome, dear friends. Before we begin this enlightening journey, please take a moment to like this post, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss any future insights. The law of attraction, a powerful principle suggesting that our thoughts and feelings attract corresponding experiences, has resonated with millions worldwide. What many may not realize is that this very principle is deeply rooted in the wisdom of the Bible. Throughout the scriptures, we find verses that echo the concept of attracting what we focus our minds on. These verses offer profound guidance on aligning ourselves with divine law to manifest our desires. Let's delve into some of these powerful passages and uncover the secrets they hold. By understanding the connection between the law of attraction and biblical teachings, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the power of our thoughts and beliefs in shaping our reality. One of the most well-known biblical principles that aligns with the law of attraction is the concept of sowing and reaping, as outlined in Galatians chapter 6, verse 7. Do not be deceived. God cannot be mocked. A man reaps what he sows. This verse speaks to the universal law of cause and effect. Just as a farmer plants seeds to reap a harvest, our thoughts, words, and actions are like seeds that we plant in the garden of our lives. If we sow positive seeds of love, kindness, and faith, we can expect to reap a harvest of joy, abundance, and blessings. Conversely, if we dwell on negativity, fear, and doubt, we may find ourselves attracting unwanted circumstances. This principle encourages us to become conscious creators of our reality by choosing thoughts and actions that align with the outcomes we desire. The Bible repeatedly emphasizes the importance of faith in manifesting our desires. Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1 tells us, "Now faith is confidence in what we hope for, and assurance about what we do not see." This verse highlights the powerful connection between faith and manifestation. When we have unwavering faith in something, even if we cannot yet see it with our physical eyes, we are aligning ourselves with its realization. Our beliefs act as a magnet, drawing our desires into our reality. Just as Jesus often said to those he healed, "Your faith has made you well," our belief in the unseen can pave the way for miracles to occur. By cultivating an unshakable faith in the goodness of the universe and the power of our own intentions, we can move mountains and manifest our heart's desires. Positive thinking. A biblical foundation. The power of positive thinking, a cornerstone of the law of attraction, is deeply rooted in biblical teachings. Philippians chapter 4 verse 8 instructs us, "Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things." This verse encourages us to focus our minds on that which is positive, uplifting, and life-giving. When we dwell on thoughts of goodness, we create a positive frequency within ourselves that attracts more of the same. For a deeper understanding of the transformative power of positive thinking, I highly recommend the book The Power of Positive Thinking by Norman Vincent Peale. You can find a free copy through our Audible partners using the link below. This book offers practical guidance and inspiring anecdotes that can help you shift your mindset and unlock your full potential. Gratitude. Unlocking abundance. Gratitude is another powerful key to unlocking abundance and aligning ourselves with the law of attraction. In 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 18, we are reminded to give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus. When we cultivate an attitude of gratitude, we shift our focus from what we lack to the abundance that already surrounds us. This simple yet profound practice raises our vibration, attracting more blessings into our lives. By appreciating the good in our lives, we open ourselves up to receiving even more. Gratitude is a magnet for miracles. Living in alignment with divine law. As we've explored, the law of attraction is not a mystical concept, but rather a reflection of divine law woven throughout the fabric of the universe. By understanding and aligning ourselves with these principles, we can tap into our innate power to create a life filled with joy, abundance, and purpose. Remember to sow seeds of positivity, cultivate unwavering faith, focus on the good, and practice gratitude. As you do so, you'll find yourself attracting the blessings and opportunities that are in alignment with your highest good. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovery. May your life be filled with peace, love, and abundance.